Okay, so we will use the previous equation, the last equation that we did, and from there we will do one question. Okay, from there we will do one question. So please write the question. At 273 Kelvin. Razan, am I audible? Yes, Razan, am I audible? And were you in the last class Thursday? Razan, you were there, no? Yes, no? Okay. Your voice is very low today. बहुत हल्का है आज आपका. Okay. At 273 Kelvin, the density of a gas, the density of a gaseous oxide at 2 bar pressure same as that of nitrogen at 5 bar pressure. They have asked calculate the molar mass of oxide. Yes, Maimuna, please take the lecture. Also do one thing. Okay, Sara, she's a new student. Okay, guys, please write this question. Mazia, Minashi, and Razan, let me know if you are done with the question. Good evening, Sara. How are you?
Good evening, sir. I'm fine.
This is your first class, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, which school are you from?
I'm from Tribhuvan School, Patna.
Patna mein. Wait a second. And what is your stream?
PCB.
PCB. Any specific reason for joining the English medium? I mean, the language of instruction is English here. I hope you know that.
Yes, sir.
Any specific reason for joining?
No, sir. I've actually studied from Oman till mid of 9th, so I am comfortable in English. So
You are more comfortable in English. Okay.
yes.
Yeah, PCB. And PCB with what? What is your another subject? There must be one other than English.
Physical education.
PE, okay, physical education. That is kind of, I mean, वो extra subject ही होता है pure. You don't have to study, na? I think so. Just before examination, you can study and you can do well, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you are not present in the last class. What is going on in your school?
For us, we'll be having our exams next week onwards. So right now, hydrogen.
Term 1 examination?
No, we didn't have term 1 examination. It was just a half-yearly examination from our school.
वही मतलब half yearly term 1. Okay. Oh, so what is this examination that is going to happen in December?
ये PA2.
PA2?
Yes, sir.
Can you please elaborate?
Periodic assessment 2.
Acha, okay. So this is your school only, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, hydrogen. So term 1, I mean, the term 1 syllabus is done. What are the chapters that are done?
For term 1, we had the first 4 chapter.
Yeah, okay.
From the first textbook, and then from the second book, we had redox. Yeah, only till redox, 5 chapters.
Redox, organic chemistry, basic concepts in organic chemistry and techniques. That
organic chemistry and hydrogen we are having in the exam, coming up exam.
In the periodic assessment. Okay.
Yes, sir.
तो स्टेट्स ऑफ मैटर का कहीं अभी नाम नहीं सुना होगा आपने, है ना?
नहीं.
Okay, fine. So you and Maimuna, you will copy a few things, okay? The first thing that you will copy is, from here you will copy units of R. I don't know how much page you should leave because this is your 4th class. 3 classes have already been done. But for today's class, you will be needing only these terms, okay? And baki jitna bhi hai, that I will explain during the class, okay? So first copy this, units of R and the alternative form of ideal gas equation. Mark these, I mean, you should also, where is that shape? Yeah. Should also give some respect to this equation because this is one of the equation that we're going to use, okay? So PV is equal to nRT and PM is equal to dRT. These are the two equations that we'll be using, and these units of R are important, okay? Units of R and their values also. And Razan and Minashi and Mazia, all of you copied the question, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now try it. I know it is a bit difficult because you guys have a tendency. I mean, normally 10th class tak sabhi ki tendency yahi hoti hai that they will look at the numbers, they will look at the units, and they will try to think of a formula from in the formula they will be plugging in the values and they will want to have an answer. But in this question, you will learn something that you have to read through the statements to make an expression. Which school were you in Oman, Sarah?
Indian School Al Gobra, Muscat.
Indian school, Indian international school?
Indian School Al Gobra.
Do we have anyone from Oman in this class? Let me see. Razan, you are from Kingdom only, no? Not Oman. I think you're from Kingdom. Mazia is in Bahrain, I guess. Yes, Bahrain.
Yes, sir.
Minashi is also Ibn al-Haytham, Bahrain. Maimuna, where is Maimuna? Where are you from, Maimuna? Forgot.
Riyadh.
So you are from Kingdom only. Okay. We have some other students who are from Oman in some other batches. Can't I remember? Now I remember. Oh, the New Middle East School, something like that, no? Maimuna, your school?
Yes, sir. New Middle East International School.
Now I remember. Done, guys? Maimuna and Sarah?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now both of you can write this question. Both of you can write this question. Okay, so Razan, Minashi, and Mazia, any progress in the question? Or you're stuck? Yes, Razan, you tell me.
Stuck.
Yes, Mazia. Stuck? Okay. What about Razan? You're trying? Okay. Try. Minashi, what about you?
Sir, I'm stuck.
You're stuck. So all of you are, I mean, the same student now who look at the values, then try to think of a formula jahan pe value ko fit kar diya jaye. That's it. Now today you will learn a new thing. Today you will learn something new. First of all, see this word same. Now, whenever you have a same word in a equation, in a question, you will form an equation. So there will be equal to sign, but what will be in the left hand side and the right hand side? See, we are seeing the density of oxide at 2 bar pressure. Yes, Sarah? Density of oxide at 2 bar pressure? Yes, Sarah? Did you write the question, Sarah?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And they are saying that this density is same as that of nitrogen. If I take nitrogen's density at 5 bar pressure, and I take the density of oxygen at 2 bar pressure, I will be having the same density. I will be having the same density. So what I can write from here is, I can write a statement like this. I can write a statement like this in the form of density of oxide at 2 bar is equal to density of, now you will tell me nitrogen is nitrogen element N or it is N2. What should I take? What should I take here for nitrogen? Nitrogen can mean two things. Na? Nitrogen can mean either the element nitrogen N, or it could also mean the N2 gas, because whenever if I ask you what are the gases in the atmosphere and which has the largest volume in, which is having the largest proportion, you will say nitrogen. But at that time you mean nitrogen gas, that is N2 and not the nitrogen element. But if I ask you to give me the electronic configuration of nitrogen, you will give me for the element nitrogen. So what do you think, Maimuna? 1 or 2? The element or the element?
Yeah.
Okay, Mazia, what do you think?
Molecule.
Molecule. Okay, Mazia, think molecule. What about you, Minashi?
2.
Okay, molecule. Razan, what about you? What about you, Razan? ठीक से बोलिए सुना ही नहीं दिया. Molecule. Okay. What about you, Sarah? What do you think?
2.
1 or 2? 2. Okay. 2. Okay. So now you have, I mean, there are some students who are saying 1, and there are most of the students are saying 2. So someone who is saying 2, can you give me an argument why should I take 2 in this case? Why should I take molecule nitrogen and not the element nitrogen? No, see, one of the answers can be, sir, ऐसा करते आ रहे हैं. Like we have seen this thing happening. You can say this also. That's fine. But there should be a reason, na? या तुक्का. Did you
Sir,
just?
I think we will take 2 because it's written gaseous oxide.
It is written gaseous oxide and that of nitrogen at 5 bar pressure. Okay, so that means this nitrogen has some pressure. That means this nitrogen will be a gas. Okay, this nitrogen element, it cannot exert any pressure. The nitrogen element cannot exert any pressure. Wait a second. Okay, fine. That means we cannot take the nitrogen element. Okay, so somebody said a nitrogen element. I think Mazi or Minashi. Who said element?
Sir, I told.
आप ही ने कहा था और आप ही बोल रहे नाइट्रोजन गैस लेंगे. Wow. Okay. Fine. So then density of what? Density of N2 gas at 5 bar. Yes or no? Can all of you now see this equation in the question?
Yes.
है ना? So यही इकबाल का एक शेर वो हमको याद नहीं आ रहा है लेकिन वो it is something like Sarah, do you know any शायरी?
No, sir.
Now अब हमको like I have that thing in my mind, so let me I need to figure this out now. What is that? But it, like in the end it has to nazar पैदा कर. It is something like that. कौन सी जा है जहां जलवाए माशूक नहीं, शौके दीदार अगर है तो नजर पैदा कर, है ना. शौके दीदार, I mean that last part is really crucial. शौके दीदार अगर है तो नजर पैदा कर. Okay. Minashi, I think you don't know Hindi, na?
Yes, sir.
So let me just translate it for you. Shock means what, Razan? What does shock mean? Can you please translate that for Minashi? Shock.
Interest.
Interest. Okay. Shock e Didar. Didar. Who will explain Didar?
So, like, seeing.
Okay. So if you want to see things, है ना, शौक ए दीदार अगर है तो नजर पैदा कर, then you have to develop a perspective. Now in this question, if you want to really do some questions, if you want to really understand what the question is asking, then you have to develop a perspective. Now this is something that you will always keep in mind. Okay, so these terms, now same, equal to, if they are present in the question, that means you will obviously think of an equation. Now Sarah will tell me. Sarah, you wrote an equation now, just now. What was that? In which there is density. What was that equation?
Sir, I'm not sure.
No, like you wrote it, no? Just now.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, where do you think the density part is there? In which of the equations?
PM is equal to DRT.
Yeah, very good. PM is equal to DRT. Very good. I'm gonna just work on the question once again. I mean, I don't think it is right. You are doing some calculation mistake somewhere. Okay. PM is equal to DRT. Now I can see now density is equal to what? PM upon RT. Now where P is the pressure, M is the molar mass, R is the one of those values. Anna, you have written the values, yes or no, Sarah?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sarah, you have written those values. And what is T? T is the temperature. T is the temperature. Now we will put this whole thing for the oxide and also for the nitrogen, and then we will just equate them. Okay. So I think I can keep this here, and I can also keep this here. So it is just there for you guys. Now density of oxide, I can write what? Density of oxide, I can write density of oxide like this is equal to density of N2. Density of oxide is equal to density of N2. Now what I can write? Now density is equal to PM. So pressure of oxide into the molar mass of oxide divided by R into T. Now I'm not writing T of oxide because in the question they have said that at 273 Kelvin only. So for both nitrogen and oxide, they have taken the same temperature. Now for D of N2, we can find what? For D of N2, P of N2 into the molar mass of N2 divided by R into T. Now what you can do is you can eliminate R into T, and you will have the molar mass of oxide is equal to the pressure of N2 divided by the pressure of oxide into the mass of molar mass of nitrogen gas, Okay. Now all of you know the molar mass of N2, yes or no? All of you guys know, na?
Yes.
The molar mass. Okay. Now all of you can calculate. You have the pressure of N2 also. You have pressure of oxide also. What is the pressure of N2? It is 5 bar. Oxide it is 2 bar into the molar mass. So you will write the molar mass, and this will be in grams per mole. And you can eliminate this bar, and then you will write just something here, and then you will calculate and tell me the answer. Okay. So Maimuna, did you correct the answer? Maimuna, you think this answer is right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let us see. Others do this. Okay. Sarah, आपको आ रहा है? Oh, that rhymed. Yes, Sarah?
Yes, sir.
Are you following? Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How was your term 1 chemistry?
So it was okay.
Okay. Which chapter was most difficult for you?
Redox kind of.
Redox. Okay. So balancing part is, redox balancing is a bit tricky. Balancing is there, na, this time, or they have eliminated balancing?
It was there for me.
Acidic medium, basic medium, both?
Not sure.
And you don't remember that? Okay. Yes, Meenakshi, very good, correct. Maimuna, can you please tell me what is the molar mass of N2 that you have taken?
Sir, I took 32 by mistake. I know I did it wrong.
Very good. Now you correct it, okay? Khalil is late today. Oh my God. Is Khalil late? It's like 25 minutes late. What about you, Shoaib? Why are you late? Huh? Shoaib? Shoaib तो कभी जवाब देंगे कभी नहीं देंगे ईद का चांस हो
Yes,
जाता है.
sir.
हाँ. Why are you late?
I was kind of busy, sir.
Kind of busy
Yes.
with other class?
No, sir.
Then with what?
Personal stuff.
You have some. Oh, okay, fine, fine. Don't be late. Don't want to say anything. Okay. What about you, Khalil? You forgot about the class? Did you
No,
forget
sir.
about the class? Then why are you late?
So I had physics. then
Physics.
Not from London.
Acha, but you had a, physics class today. Okay.
Yes,
So it ended right now.
around 15 minutes ago. Then I had to go to wash.
Yeah. Okay, fine. So you had a while for it with yourself. Okay, 70 grams. Yeah, correct. So maybe you can note this question, Khalil. You were present in the last lecture, right? PM is equal to DRT.
Yes, sir.
Copy. Sara, so is Patna not open? वहाँ तो हैं offline classes.
Yes, so my school is open.
What about the coaching centers there? Open?
It is open, but I do it online.
Acha, you prefer it online?
Yes, sir.
Mhm. What about exams? You prefer exams online or offline?
Offline.
Really?
Yeah, because like
Okay.
in online, I don't feel that pressure of studying, and offline, I get that. So
That's true. ऑनलाइन में तो लाइक 15 मिनट पहले किताब खुलती है, वो भी पढ़ने के लिए नहीं खुलती, किसी और चीज के लिए खुलती है ना. ओके. अच्छा, by the way, Sara, were you supposed to join yesterday?
I didn't know about it. My dad just told me about it yesterday.
Oh, okay. Who has not given me answer? Raza has given me. Maimuna, Minashi. Mazia, are you having any difficulty? Yes, Mazia.
No, sir.
Send me the answer then. You also, Sara, send me the answer.
So where do we have to send it?
Chat में ना सालिम लिखा हुआ होगा, सालिम रजा. Don't send it to Salim, send it to Salim Raza.
Okay.
And Khalil, you can copy this now. Okay. Khalil, Shoaib, Abdul Wahid has also joined very late. How are you, Abdul Wahid? Everything fine? Why are you so late? Okay. So this is 28 grams per mole. Okay, Abdullah, you're fine. And this will be 14. And 14 5s are 70 grams per mole. Oh, you are not having a network. Okay, fine. Now let us write one more question, which is your type of question. That means it is a direct question. That is a direct question. Okay. So you just need. Oh God, Khalid is coming now. भाई साहब, आज तो बहुत सारे लोग लेट हैं. Write a question. Calculate the density of ammonia, that is NH3. Calculate the density of ammonia at 30 degrees Celsius and 5 bar pressure. Sarah, can you do this?
I'll try.
Yeah. So I will just send you one hint that I have to send you because you are not present in the previous class. And if you have any doubt somewhere now, please ask me. Okay, please ask me. All of you. I'm hoping that some of you may have one doubt. No doubt. All of you are doing this? Khalil, Maimuna, Mazia. Ajha. Khalid, you are very late. Why?
Sorry, sir, I did not see the time. I slept
Oh,
and then I
okay.
prayed and then I joined.
Acha, acha. Okay, fine. So maybe like keep an alarm or something, reminder kind of thing. है ना?
Yes, I usually wake up, but then today I did not go to school and I slept late, so I did not wake.
Ah, okay, okay, okay. Okay, Sarah, you have sent me an answer. Hmm. So can you tell me what is D? You have calculated density, right, Sarah?
Yes, sir.
So density is equal to what? What is the equation that you used?
The previous one, PM is equal to DRT.
Very good. Okay, PM is equal to DRT, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
D will be equal to D will be equal to. Mhm.
PM by RT.
Very good. PM by RT. Now, what is the pressure?
5 bar.
Very good. So that is also important now. I hope you know 5 bar. Okay. है ना?
Yes, sir.
So we have 5 bar into what is the molar mass for NH3?
17.
Yeah, very good. 17 grams per mole. Okay, I've got one more answer. Mazia Maimuna, you're right. Okay, and what did you take as R? And temperature is how much? 303, na? Temperature is 303. What is R?
0.0331.
0.0331.
Yeah.
अरे हमने 0.0331 कहाँ लिखा है?
Oh, sorry, it was 8. Sorry. Oh, last one, fourth one.
Yeah, you okay, you put the last one. Okay, so that's fine. I mean, all of you guys are good with units. है ना? So that was the only point where you could have gone wrong. That is the units of R, but all of you seem to have done it correctly. So you have 0.083 liter. Is liter bar? Liter bar. That is 0.083 liter bar per mole per Kelvin. Now, just to talk about the units here, see, mole inverse and mole inverse will get cancelled. The Kelvin and Kelvin inverse will get cancelled. The bar and bar inverse will get cancelled, and you will get the answer in terms of grams per liter. So now you just need to solve this 5 into 17 on 0.083 into 303. Okay, and yes, 3.4 is the right answer. I mean, exactly speaking, I think it is 3.7 something, but 3.4 is fine because if you just 3.78 or something. So if you approximate it, so 3.4 is good because there is a lot of calculation here. So 3.4 grams per liter. That is also crucial that you use the units grams per liter. Write this down. Let me know if you're done. Yes, Khalil, grams per liter. Okay. So is everyone done? Khalid, Shoaib, Abdul Wahid, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. So now write the next question, and this question is very interesting, and it will tell you about the Avogadro number. It will tell you about the Avogadro's number. Okay. So you know the Avogadro's number, right, Sarah?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it will help you in understanding how big the Avogadro's number is. Okay, how big the Avogadro's number is. Please write a question. How much time would it take? How much time would it take to spend 1 Avogadro 1 Avogadro number of 1 rupee coin. 1 rupee coin. If you spend, let us say, how much do you want to spend? 10 to the power, 1 lakh per second. Is it enough, guys? You want to spend 1 lakh rupees per minute, per second, let us say, per second. Tell me, 1 lakh. Or you want more? Yes, Sarah, Razan, Minashi, Mazia. How much do you want to spend per second? अरे भाई कुछ तो बोलिए. Yes, Razan, tell me. Tell me a number that you want to spend per second.
That's fine.
Huh?
It's fine, sir.
It's fine. How much is fine? 1 lakh.
Yes, sir. 1 lakh.
So 10 to the power 5, na? 10 to the 5 rupees per second. Okay, so you have to calculate how much time will it take. Before going to, and please don't write, please stop writing, everyone. Please stop writing. Abdul Wahid, you will send me a guess. Abdul Wahid, you will send me a guess. How much do you think this amount is? Khalil, tell me. What do you think? Guess a number. Khalil, fast. I will take name 3 times. If you don't give an answer, I will not take the answer now. You have to just guess. Yes, Khalil. How much time will it take? Fast.
So 6.022 into 10 raised to.
Array, guess. 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 40 seconds, 1 month, 2 years. How much? 3 weeks, how much?
So years.
1 year, 2 year, how much?
1 year.
Maimuna, 1 year. Maimuna, guess. Maimuna.
Sir, what
Fast,
should we
ma'am.
guess? How much time will it take to complete this sum?
No. How much time will it take to completely spend 1 Avogadro number of 1 rupee coins? So that means you have 1 Avogadro number. That is the amount you have, and you are spending 10 to the power 5 rupees per second. So you have 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 rupees, and you are spend 1 lakh rupees per second. So tell me first, how many years, how many seconds, how many weeks, months, anything?
6 months.
6 months. Okay. Mazia. 6 years. Sarah. Yeah, I saw that. 6 years. Okay, Sarah, how much?
Maybe 5 months.
5 months. Razan. Khalid.
10 years.
Khalid. Shoaib, Khalid, Shoaib, and Abdul Wahid. Abdul Wahid, you have not given me any answer. Shoaib. Shoaib is not giving. Khalid also is not giving me any answer. Khalid.
I feel like 1 year.
4 months. Shoaib is not in the class, I think. Okay. Now you can calculate. Shoaib, tell me.
Several months, sir.
Several months. How much? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11?
7.
7 months. Okay. Fine. Now, okay. I hope all of you guys can calculate, right? For example, if you have 100 rupees and you are spending 10 rupees per second, then this 100 will cancel by 10. This rupees will getting cancelled by rupees, and then you will have 10. Second inverse will go above, and you will get 10 seconds. Fine. I hope you know how to calculate this. Now calculate and tell me. Now, if you're getting too much seconds now, then just convert it into something that we can understand. For example, if you have many seconds and if you convert into month and it is 30 months, then it is fine. 30 months we can understand. We can have an idea how much long is 30 months. And for example, if it is coming 52 weeks or something, so you write 52 weeks or 70 weeks or let us say 30 weeks. Or if it is in days, then also convert in days if it is in hours. So just give me a number that will make sense to me, okay? Because Avogadro's number doesn't make sense how much big it is. We cannot imagine it. So you have to give me in terms of time, but the unit should be appropriate. You have to choose the unit, but unit should be appropriate. Now, fine, you can calculate this now and tell me. Let me know if you are stuck or something, okay? Hmm. So I think Maimuna is correct. I think she is correct. Also, one more thing, you can take that Avogadro's number as 6, not 6.022. Okay, that will help you. I'm sorry for saying it so late, but we just wanted to have an idea now how large it is. Minashi, what is this in seconds, years, or so what? Yes, Minashi,
Sir,
this is in second, years, months, week. How much is this? I mean, what is this? The unit. Minashi, yes, Minashi.
yes, sir.
I asked something now. What is, I mean, what is the unit seconds? Now I saw. Okay, sorry. Yeah, I saw now. But you have to convert it. Can you understand this is second? How much is this? Do you get an idea? You just
Yes,
get an
sir.
idea it is big. You just get an idea it is big, right? How much big? You don't know, na?
No.
And just tell me, this many seconds will be how many years? Approximate and tell me, na? This many second will be approximately how many years? Or how many months? Do you have any idea, Minashi?
No, sir.
No, na. So you have to convert into something which is somewhat understandable. Okay, which is somewhat understandable. Mm, yes, Khalil. Correct. Maimuna, I think your decimals are not right. You're having some mistake in decimals, I think, or in the
Sir, I
exponents.
actually took 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23.
That is fine. Yeah, that is fine. No problem. But like उसमें decimal में नहीं फर्क आएगा ना, because you are just having 0.22. You're not using 0.22. So I mean, exponents should be right. You just check it once, na? Just check it once.
Yes.
But it is way big, right? From our imagination. Yes, Maimuna?
Yes.
Hmm. I'm not receiving any other answers. Are you guys stuck? What is happening? हाँ मैम, अरे भाई साहब बहुत ज्यादा फर्क नहीं हो गया मैमूना. Your exponents are not right. Okay, so who has given the answer? Only Maimuna, Minashi, Khalil, Sara, Razan, Mazia, Shoaib, Khalid. You guys are not giving me answer. Nee, you guys are doing some mistake. Okay, so listen. So this will be. What about you, Sara?
Sir,
You have
I'm
sent me
getting
answer.
stuck.
Okay, why you are getting stuck in calculation now? But it is division only. So you guys need a proper method for calculation. See, 6 into 10 power 23, I will take 6 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 10 to the power 5. This is how this much rupees we have and this much rupees we have, and we are spending this much rupees per second. Rupees and rupees will get cancelled, and you will get 6 into 10 to the power 23. 23 minus 5, no? 23 minus 5, and whatever it will be in seconds. So this will be equal to what? 6 into 10 to the power how much? 18, no? 18 seconds. Okay, so this is in seconds. This is in second. Now we have to convert this. So when we want to convert this into what? Let us say we will convert this into years. Okay, we'll convert this into years and see. So I can say that 6 into 10 to the power 18. This is seconds. So first of all, I have to convert seconds into minutes. So 60 seconds per minute. Acha. Now you guys will tell me, can I do this? Yes or no? Can I divide anything?
Yes.
Because if I'm okay, so what I'm doing, if I have A by B, I'm multiplying 60 into the B part, right? In the denominator, yes or no?
Yes.
But I mean, we cannot do that in fraction. If I am multiplying something, then I have to multiply something in the numerator also, the same amount, yes or no?
No.
No, why? This is a rule for if you want to keep the fraction same. No. Yes or no? You have learned this, right? You have learned fractions and ratios. Yes or no? Razan, Sarah? If I multiply something in the denominator, I have to multiply the, Hana? So why do we do this? You must have done this, right? I'm not saying it is wrong, but you must have done this. But how can we do this? Mathematically speaking, how can we do this? So the reason is, see, we are not multiplying 60. Hana? Here the units comes into play. What we are doing, can I multiply 1? Can I multiply 1? Tell me, yes or no? We
Yes.
can, na? We can multiply 1. So if I write 60 second divided by 60 second, it is okay, yes or no? It is 1 only.
Yes.
Now, rather than writing 60 second, I wrote this 1 minute. It is same only, yes or no?
Yes, it's same.
So that is what we are multiplying in the denominator, 60 seconds per minute. है ना? So keep in mind these small things. आप लोग जब बड़े क्लास में जाइएगा, कहीं पे इंटरव्यू होगा ना, then they will ask these questions. These silly questions, I mean, silly in our sense, but they will ask you, you know maths, then tell me how can we do this? We cannot multiply any number in the denominator itself only and nothing in the numerator. The fraction will change and quantity will change. Then how are you converting this? Okay. So please keep in mind these type of questions. So 60 second upon 1 minute is 1. So we are multiplying 1. What we can do? 1 minute. 1 minute has how much? So I will say 60 minutes divided by 1 hour. This is also 1 only. And I can also say 24 hour and 1 day. Then what I can say? I can say I'm keeping it 30 days in 1 month. And I will keep what? I will keep how much months? 12 months in 1 year. Fine? Is everyone fine with this? Yes or no? Tell me. Guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, na? Now see what, first of all, this second inverse will cancel second inverse. So this is the hierarchy we use, Sarah, whenever we are simplifying anything. What do we simplify first, guys? What do we simplify first? नहीं याद ना किसी को? ये तो केमिकल, आप लोगों ने एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर तो पढ़ा है, फिर भी नहीं याद आप लोगों को. What do we simplify first? Units. Very good, Razan. Yeah, very good. Units. And after that, what do we simplify? What do we simplify after units? Powers of 10. Powers of 10 we simplify. The third is numbers. Okay, so this will make your life easy. So first I will simplify the units. So second is gone, minute and minute is gone, hour and hour is gone, day and day is gone, month and month is gone, but we are just having year, and this is what? Year inverse. So it will go above and it will become year. Now, six into 10 to the power 18. Here we have 60 into 60 into 24 into 30 into 12 years. So we wanted in years and we have the year. Okay, we have the year. Now what I can do something like this. Wait a second. I'm still not simplifying anything. I just want some numbers with powers of 10 in the denominator. So look what I am going to do. So I will write this as 6 into 10 to the power 18. And see, this is also very crucial that you keep it very clean. You keep it very clean. So 6, 6, and 3. So I will remove the 6 into 6 into 3 and 1, 2, 3 zeros, right? So I can write into 10 to the power minus 3. How many of you did not understand this? And how many of you understood this? Tell me. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Into 24. Sarah, what about you? Maimuna, what about you? Shoaib,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
all of you understood now. So this is in years. Fine. No problem. Okay. Now बहुत मेरा भी बहुत मन कर रहा है कि हम 6 से 6 ऐसे काट दे. Let I eliminate this, but no. We have a principle and we will follow that, है ना? We are not in any hurry because we are learning now. This is not an examination. 18 minus 3 will be equal to 50. इतना तो हम लोग कर सकते हैं. Now, I have 6 into 6 into 3 into 24 into 12. Now 6 are gone. है ना? Now, what I will do here is I will take 1000 from the 10 to the power 15, and we will be remaining with how much? 10 to the power 12, and divide by 6 into 3 into 24 into 12. Or maybe I think I should take a few more. No, let us see this. Can you guys now simplify this, or do I need to simplify more? Tell me. A bit more.
We can add, we can
No.
multiply the whole denominator.
होल डिनोमिनेटर नहीं ऐसे अलग अलग ही रखते हैं ना. पूरा डिनोमिनेटर अभी ऐसे इसको कर लीजिए. आप देखिए, don't multiply this, you can simplify from here. So 2s are, so you will be remaining with 3, and this will become 500, है ना? Yes.
Yes.
Then again, है ना? So because after multiplying again you would have to simplify, so it is already in some simplified form, so I'm not going to multiply and do that thing again. So 24, and I will write here 12, and this will be how much? 225. Yes or no?
Yes.
So
Now 225, 250. 250. Now 250 divided by 3 into 12 into 12 into 10 to the power 12. So this will be equal to how much? 125 divided by,
Sir, you forgot 1 3 in the denominator.
thank you. Okay, Muhammad Abdul. Okay, Wahid. Abdul Wahid, okay, fine. And this will be how much? 6 into 12. Yes or no? Okay. Now you can 125 divided by, so 3 3s are 9, right? 3 3s are 9. 9 6s are
54.
54, and 54 into 12. So 48, 12
648.
was 648, 12 was a 48, and yeah, 648. Okay, this is 10 to the power 12 is here. 10 to the power 12 is here. है ना? 10 to the power 12 is here. Now tell me. You can do this now, ना? अब तो बता दीजिए आंसर यहाँ से करके. So approximately, I think this will be how much? 12. It is
It will
almost like,
come.
I think it will be something around 1/5, I guess. We can do this, I think 1/5. How much is 1/5? 0.2, na? It will be somewhere around 0.2. Because 125 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10, 11, 12. 5 ones are 5 and 1 6. So this is very near to, this is very near, no? So we can have somewhere around 1.5. It will be less than 1.5, but it will be very near to 1.5. Tell me, na? I'm guessing maybe 1.8, 1.9 कुछ होना चाहिए. No, I mean this will be 0.19 or 0.18. Less than 2, less than 0.2. Let me know if you're done and tell me the answer. Or if you're doing, na? Or no? So इंतजार नहीं है मेरे. नहीं कीजिए. 1.9 नहीं होगा, 0.9, 0.19 होगा. Maze, it will be 0.19. Because 1/5, na? हाँ. Take care of these things. 125 is smaller number. Yeah. All of you got the answer now. So we proved one thing. What did we prove? Humans are bad at imagining large numbers. Humans are bad at imagining large numbers, है ना? See, I mean, it's not your fault, but all of you guessed. I mean, it is not even what I can say. Let us say this number of years now. This is the Sahara Desert, and your guess was not even one particle of sand, I think. Right, guys?
Yes, sir.
So humans are very bad at imagination. Now I will tell you one more thing regarding the human brain that we have, the partially functional human brain that we have. Can you guess how many things it can tackle? Our head can tackle how many things at once, at a moment, at a particular time? Like the working memory, we say, na, RAM kitna hai hamara? So RAM is used for working memory, na? Working memory RAM. 5 to 6. It's not even 5 to 6. It is 4. It is 4. And the evidence that you get from the historical, I mean, this is now neuroscience. This is now neuroscience. But you can also see that number 4, it is very crucial. You have seen this, na, tally marks 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But जैसे 5 होता था, we used to cut it. है ना?
Yeah.
Why? Because see, at once you cannot tell me how much number is this, hai na? If you see this one, but if I say it like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this is 5, then this much is how much? 6. Like if you just blink it somewhere and you will say that this is 6, but more than 4, it is non-comprehensible. Maybe 5 you can say, but it is still not. You have to count, है ना? अब देख के perceive नहीं कर पाएगा. And similar to this was I don't know, remember which country had this type of tally marking, but I think Latin America, they used to have this number system. So they counted like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So there is one book, Arithmetic. In that they have just taught counting. And maths, basically math is nothing but it is counting. For example, if I start 1, then if I want to do addition, again we are counting things. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1. Now if I want to do multiplication is what? Multiplication is the repetitive addition. So everything is just counting. Now fancy counting is mathematics. Right. Now let us move on to the next topic, that is Dalton's law of partial pressure. Achha, one more thing that I want you to think about. Okay, one more thing. a circle, if I go the whole round, how much degrees am I covering? How much degrees is that?
60.
60?
360.
360.
360. Okay. And approximately how many days are there in 1 year?
365.
365.
Why are these so similar? Think about it, huh? Okay. Do you think there is some relationship? If not, then think about it, maybe Google about it, okay? So 1 year, and I think if you go to the lunar calendar, it is 360 days accurately, I think. Or it is less than, no, I think it is 355 days. I think it is 355 days rather than 365 days, yeah. So it is somewhere around 360 only, and one circle is also 360. And also, why this circle should be 360? It is such a odd number. Anna, we could have kept it something, let us say 100. If this was just a convention, then we could have said that one whole circle is 100 degrees Celsius. Now it would be very easy for us. So this is 25, this is 25, this is 25, this is 25. But why did we take 100? Anna, why did we take 360? Like, just imagine how easy would it had been if we just took 100 degrees in the whole circle. Like, this is 1/4, we can see that this is 1/4, 25. This is 1/4 of 25. Anna, this is 1/4, 25%. Be same, angle be same, but we did not take that. Why 360? Imagine, Anna, think. Dalton's law of partial pressure. Please write this with me. It's very long. Then I will condense it in one line. And not me, but you guys will help me in condensing it into one line. Please write with me, okay? Please write with me. The total pressure exerted by a mixture the total pressure exerted by a mixture of two or more, let us say non-reacting gases in a definite volume is equal to the sum of individual pressure exerted by each gas definite volume is equal to the sum of individual pressure exerted by each gas if it would have occupied the same volume at same temperature. Okay, so write this down, read this a few times. Then we will see what is Dalton trying to say here. You remember Dalton? What theory did he give? Dalton gave what theory? There's one theory by his name, na? What theory? Atomic theory, Dalton's atomic theory. Yes, Mazia, yes, correct. Okay, any guess where was he from? John Dalton? Where was he from? Any guess? No guess. By the way, he was from English. He was from England. He was English. He was from England. He was a school teacher, by the way. High school, I think. Yeah, he was a high school teacher. Dalton's law of partial pressure. Okay. Now let us understand. Okay. Now let us understand. All of you have written yes or no? Please tell me. All of you have written yes. Yes. Okay. Now please keep your pen aside. Please keep your pen aside and answer me. So he's saying that the total pressure exerted by a mixture of two or more non-reacting gases in a definite volume. So first of all, we will take a definite volume. This is our definite volume. And in this, we will keep some gases. Let us say 1, 2, and 3. This is gas 1, gas 2, and gas 3. And this is at some volume V and some temperature T. Is everyone following? Yes or no? Any problem till here? No, no? 1,
No,
2, 3 gases? Okay. And this has a pressure which is P total. We will say that this is a total pressure, that is P total. And this is what? This is P total. So he's saying that the pressure which is exerted by this gas, now the pressure which is exerted by this gas will be equal to the sum of individual pressure, Okay, individual pressure of what? Individual pressure of the gases by each gas. So if we had gas 1 in the same volume at the same temperature, this would have exerted P1 pressure. If we had gas 2 in the same volume at same temperature, it would have exerted pressure P2. And if we had the gas 3 at volume V and temperature T, it would have exerted P3. And he said that P total is equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3. Okay, we can also write, we can expand this and we can write. See, Sarah, we wrote now PV is equal to nRT. Yes, Sarah?
Yes,
You have
sir.
written this now? So pressure will be equal to nRT by V.
Yes.
Yes, now? So we will use that only. Pressure is equal to, so please write here. So for P1, we will have nRT upon V. But here the number of moles of 1 will matter. So I will write N1 and RT and V, these are the same. These all are same. Then for P2, what we will write? Yes, Sarah, what should I write for P2?
N2 RT by V.
By V. Very good. And for P3, we will write N3 RT by V. And this is equal to the P total. This is Dalton's law of partial pressure. Okay, so here these P1, P2, these are the partial pressure. We say this is the partial pressure of 1, 2, and 3. Now you can write, please write with me. The total pressure, in a fixed volume and constant temperature of a mixture of gas is the sum of partial pressures of each gas. Partial pressure of each gas. Please write this much. Let me know if you're done.
done, sir.
All of you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, just write small point that P total is the total pressure. P total is equal to total pressure and the terms P1, comma P2, comma P3, and so on. Okay. So we have just taken 3, but it can be n number. These all are partial pressure. Of gas 1, 2, 3, and so on. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us write a question. Write a question. A gaseous mixture contains 50 gram of nitrogen. So this nitrogen is N2 or N? N2 or N? Tell me.
N2.
Very good. And 10 gram of oxygen. What is this oxygen? What will be the formula for oxygen? What will be the formula for oxygen?
O2.
O2. Very good. We're enclosed in a vessel of what? 10 liters at 27 degrees Celsius and 27 degrees Celsius. Calculate number one, number of moles of each gas. Number two, partial pressure of each gas in ATM. Okay, you have to calculate this in ATM. And the third one, total pressure of mixture is also in ATM. Chali. You have 4 minutes. No. Okay, first of all, if you have calculated, very careful. If you have calculated number of moles, you will send the answer to me. Okay, you will send me one first answer. After that, only you will go to the second answer. Okay, because if you do the mistake in the first answer and you are also calculating the same things in second with the same values that you have got for number of moles, then it will be again wrong. So please, if you are done with the first, send the answer, and then I will tell you whether it is right or not, and then we can help you. Okay, then I can help you to get the right answer if it is wrong. But I hope that you will not be making any mistake. By the way, number of moles, how will you find number of moles? Razan, how will you find number of moles? What formula? Yes, Razan. जवाब ही नहीं दे रही हैं, बताइए. Yes, Razan. Which formula? Don't know? Mazia? Mazia, tell me, which formula will you use to calculate the number of moles? Mazia? Why is no one replying? Tell me. Maimuna wants to say. Maimuna, tell. बोलिए.
We will do 50 divided by 28 for nitrogen.
है ना, गिवन मास बाय मोलर मास, गिवन बाय मोलर मास, है ना.
Yes.
ये पी यहाँ पे कुछ मत सोचने लगिएगा, डेंसिटी वेंसिटी निकाल के हम लोग कुछ लगा देंगे, देखिएगा रहेगा ही नहीं. So first of all, whenever you get the number of moles, na, try to think whether you have been given the elements or the molecule's name and you have been given the given mass or not. Okay, then only look for different other methods. Chaliye, try this.
Sir, it's better to keep it in fraction only, right?
Better to keep it in fractions only. But you can simplify the fractions, है ना?
Yes.
I mean, it will be 50 upon 20 मत रखिए उसको. Don't do decimals. Yeah, obviously. Yeah, don't do decimals. Yes, and O2 will be O2 का आपने कितना लिया सारा? O2 ना सारा?
Yes, sir.
It is O2 na, so molar mass will be
32.
है ना? So correct this. Yes, Razan, correct. Yes, Maimuna, very good. Correct, correct, correct. Everything is correct. Maimuna was confident कि मेरा number of moles गलत नहीं होगा. Yeah, and it is not. Is here anyone who has who thinks he's a bit okay and he can use and extract information from YouTube or something website? Who is into HTML or I mean those type of things? Anyone who is a bit tech savvy, if you can use that word. Anyone? I need some help. No one. No one here. Okay. Achha, maybe if I tell you the problem, then maybe if some of you can tell me the answer, how to do it. I have a playlist, okay? I have a playlist, and I know how to. I can export that playlist into an Excel file that all the video titles, yeah, video titles, but I cannot find any way to extract the duration of each video titles, and I want to export that into Excel. किसी को ये समझ में आया? Yes, Khalil, Muhammad Khalid, Razan, anyone? Just to be very, I mean, stereotypical, girls don't have much idea about these things. But any boys here? नहीं, कोई नहीं. सब एक ही जैसे हैं. हो गए. Who has CS here? इसके पास
Yes, sir.
you have CS. You understood what did I say?
Sir, can you repeat again?
I am saying na कि if you have a video playlist in the YouTube, the web version,
Yes,
in the
sir.
in the thumbnail you can see the durations also, right?
Yes.
है ना? I want to extract those durations. You know what I
Just
mean
the
by
duration?
extract? Yeah, I mean duration corresponding to the video number or the video title from the playlist. It should correspond to or serial. Even if I get the serial wise number, na, that will also work for me. If I, for example, if it is in a CSV file, you know CSV files,
No, sir.
comma separated. Acha, Excel file. It is. You can imagine it, right? Excel file. So in one column, I can just get serial wise the whole durations. That also would work, but I'm not able to find any. I can see from inspect. You know, inspect element.
Yes.
Khalid? So from there, I can see the HTML code which is there. I think, yeah, this is span ID. No? It is HTML code. But how to extract this? I may copy this and do, but उससे ज़्यादा type ही कर ले आदमी. Don't know. 1.18. What is how to? Span ID. Style is time status renderer. This is the renderer. Let's see this one. What are the things that it has? Okay, this is the whole thing. Okay, Sarah, listen. Can you imagine that this has only two gases? Yes, yes or no, Sarah?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what we can say that, let us suppose that this is nitrogen N2 here, and there is what? O2 here. So this one will become pressure of N2 and the pressure of O2. So now this number of moles you will do for N2, number of moles for O2. That's it. Hannah, can you calculate this now?
Okay.
Got it? I have not.
Yes.
I am okay. चलिए ठीक. समझ में आ गया तो ठीक है. Because I did not try to explain very much. I just wanted to give you some idea. I'm still thinking, yeah. There is one student who can help me, but he will come 10th. 10 बजे आएंगे वो. I think he can help me, but I don't know for sure. So what are the things? Caption, canvas, center, site, code, DD, del, define, div, image, span. There's some span IDs. Span IDs text. Thumbnail overlay. Yeah, here I can see something. Color fonts, Uh-huh. Yes, Razan, very good, correct. Number of moles of O2 अभी निकाला खलील, आपने इतना देर लगा आपको खलील, और have you calculated everything? Did you
Sir, I've
calculate everything?
calculated everything. Yes, sir.
हाँ, just send me the last answer then. Correct. Khalil, correct. Khalil, correct. Yes, Razan, correct. I think I can get this. Okay, I have not got answer from Sarah. I have not got answer from Muhammad Khalid. Shoaib. Sarah, you are calculating, right?
Yes, sir.
Mhm. Yes, Sara, any luck? No. Guys,
I'm a bit confused.
you got confused. Okay, tell me. So, number of moles, tell me. What did you get for N2?
25 by 14,
25 by 14. And for O2?
5 by 16.
5 by 16. I think this is right. 50 by 28. And yeah, 25 by 14. Yeah, this is correct. Okay, now going back to partial pressure. So P1 will be equal to, for Pn2 will be equal to number of moles of N2 into R into T. Now R is crucial. What did you take R?
0.0821.
0 point, say properly, na? 0.0821.
0821.
Now, can you tell me what are the units for 821?
Liter atom per mole per Kelvin.
ATM, liter ATM per mole per Kelvin. So that is fine. Anna, you have taken the right unit. Anna. The number of moles is equal to, what did you say? 25 upon 14 into 0.0821 into, what is the temperature here? 300 Kelvin, right?
Yes.
Volume is 10 liters. So this liters and the liter ATM mole inverse Kelvin inverse will be getting cancelled from here. Kelvin from Kelvin here, and the number of moles will be getting cancelled from here. You will get the answer in ATM only. The 0 can be cancelled by the 0, and 25 upon 14 into 0.0821 into 30. So what is the confusion here? Tell me now. Sarah?
I forgot to convert that into Kelvin.
Acha, okay, fine. Chalo. So keep this as homework, okay? Those who have not done this, keep this as homework. You know how to calculate. This is the formula. You know the formula. Now let us just write one more topic and we will end this class, okay? And we will do the question of this topic in the next class. Please write. Partial pressure and mole fraction. And mole fraction, okay? First of all, what is the mole fraction? Mole fraction, let us say if I want to calculate for chi1, I will say it is number of moles of 1 divided by number of moles of 1 plus number of moles of 2. And since if there are only two components, and chi2 will be equal to number of moles of the second element, number of 1 plus number of moles of 1. So we can say, for example, if I want to calculate the chi of ith element, I can take the number of moles of ith element divided by the number of moles of 1 plus number of moles of 2 plus number of moles of 3 plus and so on. If there are more number of components in a particular mixture, and hence we can also write chi I is equal to the number of moles of the ith element divided by n total. Any doubt till here, guys? Any doubt till here?
No,
Any
sir.
doubt?
No,
No,
sir.
na? All of you with me, all of you. Okay. Now let us go back and let us see what is P total. Since we have said P total is equal to what? P total is equal to N1 RT upon V. We're taking this three gases, okay? N2 RT upon V, then we can generalize it. Plus N3 RT upon V. Now here I can take common RT upon V, and from the first term we will be left with N1, second term we will be left with N2, and the third term we will be left with N3. So I can put this in bracket and I can write RT upon V. Any doubt till here, guys? Any doubt till here? This is the P total. This is the P total, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is the P total, where this part, it corresponds to what? This part corresponds to P1. Similarly, this part corresponds to P2, and this part corresponds to P3. Yes, na? This is P2 and this is P3. Right, guys? This is P3. Now, if I take the ratio of P1 divided by P total, now what we will get? Please see. So here I will have what? Here I will have N1 RT upon V, and here I will have N1 plus N2 plus N3, but again RT upon V. But again RT upon V. Now, what I can do here, I can cancel now. This RT upon V and this RT upon V can be eliminated, and we will get what? N1 upon N1 plus N2 plus N3. That means what I can say, this is what? This is N1 upon and total P1 upon P total, and hence I can write this P1 upon P total is equal to what? It is equal to chi of the first, that is the mole fraction of the first gas. From here also we can simply write partial pressure of a gas is equal to the product of its mole fraction and the total pressure if it is in a mixture. Okay, similarly P2 is equal to chi2 into P total, and P3 is equal to chi3 into P total. Okay. So please write this down. Let me know if you're done. All of you can see this, right? It is visible. I think. I hope so.
Yes, sir.
नहीं वो तो हम देख रहे हैं. Can you see that another Salim? That is me only, but in phone. So I just want to see that if everything is clear or not. Everything is clear. I can see that. But there must be one recording button ना, वहाँ आप लोगों को नहीं दिखता होगा. Is it something like that?
Yes, sir, we can see.
So you can see. But what I am seeing here is there is one recording REC dot somewhere here. Somewhere here. In my phone, I cannot see partial pressure, and like partial pressure का partial नहीं दिख रहा है due to that recording part. Okay. Is anyone here using mobile or a tab? Any Android device or a iPad device? Yes, Minashi. Can you see this part?
Yes.
Partial. You can see. Why can't I see them? Not joined from audio. Let me see if I will join from. It is still there. Nice. Yeah, my Zoom must be not updated. How to disconnect audio? I want to disconnect audio from this one.
Done, sir.
Done. What about others? Sarah, Razan, Khalid, Minashi.
Done, sir.
Done. All of you. Any doubt, Sarah? Till here?
No, sir.
Till no doubt. No. Okay. So please do that homework. We will meet again on Thursday. है ना? आप तो इंडिया में ही है. So 7 to 9 p.m. है ना? 7 to 9 p.m. is the class timing. Tuesday and Thursdays. Okay.